Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. As you know that we have started revision now. Okay, class 5, as you know that we have started revision now. So first grammatical concept we are going to revise, that was simple present and simple past tense. We revised it yesterday. And today I am going to tell you something more about simple present and simple past tense. I told you about uh, uses of simple present and simple past. When do we use simple present? When action is happening right now or it happens regularly. In simple past, when action is completed in recent past or far past. So at that time we use these tenses. Okay? Action present time में हो तो present tense use करते हैं और एक्शन पास्ट टाइम में हो तो फिर पास्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. मीन्स एक्शन इज इफ एक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड in past, then we use past tense. Okay, then I told you about helping verbs. These two helping verbs, do and does, are used in simple present. One helping verb, did, it is used in simple past. Okay, then I told you that do is used with I, we, they, you, and plural subjects. And does is used with he, she, it, and singular subjects. As you can see in the examples, with boys we have used do, and with the boy we have used does. Boys do not play cricket and the boy does not play cricket. Okay, in the same way. Okay, next is form of verb. We use first form of verb with do and does in simple present tense, and we use फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद डिड. डिड के साथ जो फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है वो फर्स्ट होती है. Otherwise, in affirmative sentences of simple past, we use second form of verb. Okay, as I have written here, look at the formation. This is formation of affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are simple sentences. They are neither negative nor interrogative. ना ही वो negative होते हैं और ना ही वो interrogative होते हैं. These are simple sentences, affirmative sentences. Then what happens in affirmative sentences of simple present? We add s or es with first form of verb. Okay, in simple present tense, look at the formation on screen. You can see on the screen. Simple present formation, I have written formation. First of all, you will write subject, then verb. And in affirmative sentences, we'll add s or es with the form of verb. Okay. In simple past, we'll be using second form of verb. Okay, look at the examples. Tailor stitches the cloth. Verb is stitch. We have added es with it. Okay. क्यों ऐड किया es? Because the verb is singular. Tailor is singular. Tailor जो वो singular है, एक है tailor. Okay. So that's why we have added es with form of verb. Clear? In the same way, next she जो है वो girl है. Okay, that can be any girl. So the verb that is used with she, we have added s with it. Play. Play के साथ क्या ऐड किया है? s ऐड किया है. Why have we added s? क्यों s ऐड किया है? Because she is singular. That's why we have added s with form of verb. Okay. In the same way, next sentence, my father is singular. Subject. Read is first form of verb, and we have added s with it. We have added s with form of verb. Okay, read के साथ s क्यों ऐड किया है जो कि रेड में नजर आ रहा है आपको? Because subject is singular. Subject singular है, that's why we have added s with form of verb. Clear? Look at the last sentence. It is also carrying the same rule. Teacher teaches the students. We have added es with the verb teach. Why have we added es with the verb teach? क्यों es add किया teach के साथ? Because the subject is singular. टीचर जो है वो सिंगुलर है, so singular subject के साथ yes add किया. For example, if here is teachers, look at the screen. I'm going to change it. If uh, if the subject will be teachers ना, then we'll not add es. ठीक है? I have removed es because the subject is singular now. It is teachers. Okay? So we'll not add es with verb. Clear? In the same way, in simple past affirmative sentences, you can see second form of verb is used. We went to museum yesterday. I ate an apple in breakfast. Ate, second form. She wrote a letter. Wrote is second form. Teacher taught the students. Taught is also second form. Okay, it was about negative sentences. Look at negative sentences. This is formation of negative sentences. Subject do not with do and does. We use first form of verb. Okay, as I have told you that with do and does we use first form of verb, and with did also we use first form of verb. ठीक है, did के साथ भी first form of verb use होगी और do और does के साथ भी. Clear? Look at the examples. Tailors. You can see subject is plural. Tailors. ठीक है, टेलर नहीं है, टेलर्स हैं. सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल, सो वी हैव एडेड डू विद इट. उसके साथ हमने डू ऐड किया है. ठीक है, अगर ये होता टेलर देन वी एडेड वी हैड टू ऐड डज विद इट. अगर सिंगुलर होता तो फिर डज ऐड होता. ओके, टेलर्स डू नॉट स्टिच द क्लॉथ्स. शी singular subject, so we have added does with it. She does not play with dolls. My father does not read newspaper daily. Teacher does not teach the students. With singular subject we'll use does. ठीक है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? डज. टीचर डज. माय फादर डज नॉट रीड. शी डज नॉट प्ले. अब टेलर्स प्लूरल है तो टेलर्स के साथ फिर डू आएगा. ओके, in the same way you can see examples of simple past negative sentences. We have used first form of verb with did. Okay, I have highlighted it in red. We did not go. Did and go. Which form of verb? Go is first form of verb and did is helping verb that is used in simple past. Okay, so we have used first form of verb with did. I did not eat. ठीक है. She did not write. Write is also first form of verb. Manahed beta, sit properly and do not yawn. Okay. Teacher did not teach. Did is helping verb that is used in simple past tense, and teach is first form of verb. Clear? So it is all about negative sentences. I hope that all of you have got it. Okay, then I told you about interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, helping verbs will be in the beginning. ठीक है? As you saw, as you have seen that in negative sentences, helping verb जो था ना वो subject के बाद था. Okay, you can see at the formation of negative sentences सबसे पहले subject है, then do or does. But in interrogative sentences these two will be replaced. इन दोनों की position change हो जाएगी, ये एक दूसरे की जगह ले लेंगे. You can see helping verb will be in the beginning in interrogative sentences and subject will be later after helping verb. ठीक है? Same is the formation of simple past. Helping verb did will be in the beginning and after that there will be subject. Clear? Then we use first form of verb because we use do first form of verb with do and does and with did. Okay, look at these examples of interrogative sentences. Do, and they will be question mark at the end of the sentence because it is in interrogative sentence, so there will be question mark at the end of the sentence. Do tailors. अब डू जो है वो हमने सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग यूज करना है. ओके, सब यू कैन सी दैट सब्जेक्ट टेलर्स इज प्लूरल, so we have used do with it. Clear? Look at the second sentence. She is singular because she is telling us about a girl. ठीक है? So girl is singular. So with this singular we have used does. Okay? And with does we have used first form of verb, that is play. With do we also have used first form of verb, that is stitch. Okay, you can see that we are not adding es or s with it. ठीक है, और कहीं भी हमने es और s add नहीं करना. Just in affirmative sentences s or es will be added with the form of verb only in affirmative sentences. These will not be used. Es will not be used with the form of verb in negative sentences. It will also not be used in interrogative sentences. Okay. Look at the third sentence. Does my father? My father is singular because subject is singular, so we have used does with it. Look at the fourth sentence. Does teacher teach the students? Teacher is singular, so we have used does with it. Okay, look at students. Look at this. If I want to change it. If मैं teacher को teachers कर देती हूँ, then does will be changed into do. Okay, do teachers teach the students? As you can see on the screen, I have made changes here. Clear? Firstly, teacher was singular, so I used does with it. Now it is teachers, it is plural, so I have used do with it. Clear? Look at simple past. Examples. You can see that I have highlighted helping verb and form of verb. Form of verb को और helping verb को मैंने highlight कर दिया है. As you know that we use first form of verb with did. ठीक है, we use first form of verb with did. Did we go to museum yesterday? Did I eat an apple in breakfast? Did she write a letter or did teacher teach the students? Okay. Clear? You can see helping verb is in the beginning. Why? Because these are interrogative sentences. That's why helping verb is in the beginning. Now there is one more category, that is double interrogative sentences. Double interrogative sentences कौन से होते हैं भाई? Look at this. Double interrogative sentences where there are w words before helping verb. Helping verb से भी पहले w words आते हैं. Clear? You can see in interrogative sentences helping verb in the beginning, but in double interrogative sentences helping verb जो है वो number 2 पे चला जाएगा. तो first पे क्या आएगा? First पे w words आ जाएंगे. These are w words: where, why, what, how, when. Okay, these are w words. After w words, then we'll be writing helping verbs, that is do or does, then subject, and rest of the formation will remain same. ठीक है, w words सबसे पहले आ जाएंगे double interrogative में. As you can see in the form, you can see at the formation of simple past tense, w words are in the beginning: where, why, what, how, when, then helping verb did, then subject, then first form of verb, and then object. For example, I have written here an example. When does she play with dolls? Okay, at the end of it there is question mark. Why? Because it is interrogative sentence. That's why at the end of it there is question mark. When is in the beginning, that is w word. Does helping verb, and we have used does according to she के according does use हुआ है because she is singular, so does use होगा. ठीक है. When does she play? Play is also used according to does. अब play जो है वो does के according use हुआ है because you know that we use first form of verb with does. Okay students, look at the screen. I'm going to change it a bit. If instead of she I write here children. Okay, I have written here children. So what will be the what changes will be there now? Wait students, wait. Okay, because I have written children, so children is plural. So if subject is plural, then does will be changed into do. Do you remember I told you that with plural subject we use do? Okay, with plural subject we use do. When do children play with dolls? Okay, or instead of children, if I write here that when do girls play with doll? Girls. Girls is also plural. So with girls we have used do. Plural subject के साथ do use किए. Okay, it was about simple present tense. Okay, now this is simple past. When did she play with dolls? You can see that sentence is almost the same, but we have changed only helping verb. Sentence वही same है, ठीक है, जो simple present में use हुआ है, but we have changed only helping verb because it is simple past. Simple past के according हमने do को change करके did में convert कर दिया है according to simple past. Okay, when did she play with dolls? Clear? Look at, according to formation, we have written this sentence as W word will be in the beginning, then there will be helping verb did, then there is subject, she, then there is play, first form of verb, and then rest of the sentence with dolls, that is object. Clear? Okay. Students, open your student book. We are going to revise exercises of page 9 and 10. Students, open your student book. We are going to revise exercises of page 9 and 10. Okay, class 5. I hope that you have opened your student book. Language tree student book, page 9 and page 10. First of all, we are going to do exercise 1. Okay. First of all, we are going to do exercise 1, that is on page 10. Okay, Zainab, unmute your mic if you want to ask something. Yes, Zainab? Yes, Zainab, do you want to ask something? Zainab, it's page number 9 of language tree student book and we are going to do exercise 1. Okay? It's exercise 1, page number 9 and language tree student book. Question number 1. Find the simple past tense of these verbs in the report. Okay, these verbs, 5 verbs are written here. You have to convert it into simple past. Clear? There are 5 verbs in gray box. You have to convert it into simple past. Is. Zainab, I'm going to ask you, how will we do it? Okay, unmute your mic. Okay, Zainab, how will we do question number 1? Yes, Zainab. I think you can't hear me. Okay, it's question number 1. You can see first verb is. We'll convert is into was. Second word is enroll. We'll convert enroll into enrolled. Okay. And the spelling will be ENROLLED, enrolled. Clear? Third verb is give. We'll convert give into gave. ठीक है, simple past में convert करना है. Next verb is look. Look will be converted into looked. And next is continue. Continue will be converted into continued. Clear? Continued. It's language tree student book, page number 9, exercise 1. We are going to change present verb into past verb. ठीक है, present verb को हमने past verb में change करना है. Is, it will be converted into was. Enroll will be converted into enrolled. ENRO double LED. Give, gave. Look, looked. Continue, continued. Clear? Question exercise 2 is for you. Choose 3 of verbs, write each one in a sentence of your own. But it's your homework, you have to make sentences yourself. Clear? Is, enroll, give, look, continue, and then you have converted it into past. Was, enrolled, gave, looked, continued. You have to make sentences by using present verb and past verb. ठीक है, present verb में भी sentences बनाने हैं 3 and past verb में भी. Okay, now look at the third exercise. It's page number 9. Write the simple past tense of the irregular verbs in the cloud. Okay, irregular verbs are given in the cloud. As I have told you when we were doing adjectives, I told you that regular verbs have fixed pattern. ठीक है, जैसे adjective का fixed pattern था. The same way regular verbs have fixed pattern. They have ed at the end, and irregular verbs do not have fixed pattern. Like if I say continue, continued, continued, you can see there is ed at the end. Okay, but in write, wrote, written, these 3 forms are totally different. So these are irregular, जिनमें forms जो है वो totally different है. Write, wrote, written, go, went, gone, these forms are totally different. But in regular verb, जो regular verb होते हैं उनमें ed end पे आता है. ठीक है, that's why these are called regular verbs. ठीक है, like looked, 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 there is ed. Continued, ed. Complete, completed, completed, वहां पे भी ed है. So these are regular verbs जिनका fixed pattern है और जिनके last पे ed आता है. And rest of the verbs like give, gave, given, these are irregular. Go, went, gone, it is also irregular because it is not following that pattern which is followed by regular verbs. ठीक है. Okay, Zainab, do you want to ask something? Unmute your mic, beta. Yes.
ठीक है, sentences copy में करने हैं.
First of all, you will make oral sentences. Then I will listen it from you. You will be telling me sentences. If there is need to correct, if there is any need of correction, then I will correct it, and after that you will be writing it in your notebooks. ठीक है?
The notebook A.
Yes, no, it will be done in English B notebook. ठीक है? Let pencil से कर लें. Then you will be telling me those sentences. If there is any need of correction, then I will tell you to make a correction here. ठीक है, फिर मैं आपको बता दूंगी यहाँ पे correction कर लें. Have you got? ठीक है, you have to do it in your English B notebook. But first of all, you will be telling me sentences. I will listen it from you. You will be telling me sentences. If it will be right, then you will be doing it in your notebook. ठीक है, अगर सेंटेंस बिल्कुल ठीक होगा तो फिर आप नोटबुक में लिखेंगी. ओके ओके Maraj, will you do exercise 3 with us? Exercise 3. Maraj, turn on camera, unmute your mic. I'm Going to ask you about exercise 3. Okay, we are going to do exercise 3, that is about regular verbs. You have to write simple past tense of these irregular verbs. Write, wrote, shut will remain shut, fight, fought, F-O-U-G-H-T. Okay, tell, told, hear, heard, speak, spoke, think, thought, drink, drunk, hide, hid, put, same form will be in simple past tense, sleep, slept. Okay, Zainab, I hope that you are having your language tree student book. It's page number 9. I'm going to ask you about exercise 4. How have you done that? Because we are, as you know that we are revising units now, we are revising exercises now. So I'm going to ask you, how have you done? Please unmute your mic, Zainab. Zainab, unmute your mic, beta. Yes. Exercise 4.
Language student book.
Yes, language tree student book. As you can see on the screen, I have mentioned there language tree student book, page number 9. We have discussed exercise 1. I have assigned you exercise 2 as homework. And question number 3, exercise 3. I have also told you about exercise 3. Verbs in the cloud are given in simple present tense and you had to write it in simple past tense. Okay. Now there is exercise 4. Zainab, should we start exercise 4? Zainab, are you there?
Yes.
Should we start exercise 4?
Yes.
Okay, before we start, exercise 4, I'm going to tell you that in this exercise, at the end of the sentence, there is a verb written in bracket. Then this verb is in present tense. You have to convert it into past tense. After converting it into past tense, you will be writing it in the blank. ठीक है? Past tense में convert करके फिर blank में लिखना है. These verbs are given in present tense. Okay? So let's start. First sentence. Hurry up, Zainab.
My father dashed the tickets the day before.
Okay.
By
Okay. Now
bought.
convert it. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Buy will be, buy is in
He
present tense.
brought. He brought.
Brought. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. ठीक है? In second sentence.
We dashed a picnic. We brought a picnic lunch with us.
Okay. Bring will be converted into brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Okay. Next.
We ate our lunch before the competition started.
Good. Eat will be converted into ate. Eat is first form of verb. So we have to convert it into past. So ate, we'll use ate here. We ate our lunch before the competition started. Done. Good. Number 4.
We speak to the people sitting next to us.
Okay, speak will be converted into spoke. Speak will be converted into spoke. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. Okay, speak will be
I,
converted into spoke.
I had my different pots.
Heard, H-E-A-R-D. Here, the word is here. So when we write it in simple past, it will be converted into heard. I heard many different poets. H-E-A-R-D, heard. Okay, number
Wa-
6.
I I thought the party of the, the party was
Really exciting.
really exciting.
I thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Sentence number 6. Think will be changed into thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Number 7.
A young woman won the competition.
A young woman won the
Won,
competition. W-O-N. Win will be changed into won. ठीक है? Win will be changed into won. Sentence number 8.
I wrote a letter to my grandparents about it.
Good. I wrote a letter to my grandparents about it. Okay, you can see on the screen. It's page number 10 and exercise 1 and 2 we are going to do. Look at page number 10. Turn page.
Turned.
Okay, first of all, we are going to do exercise 1. As I have told you in the lecture that we use helping verb in the beginning when we have to when we have to make interrogative sentence, we use helping verb in the beginning. So these are simple sentences. You can see in exercise 1, all these are simple sentences. You have to convert it into interrogative, affirmative. ये सारे affirmative sentences हैं. Sentence number 1 to 8. ये सारे affirmative हैं. You have to convert it into interrogative sentences, and in interrogative sentences, helping verb will be in the beginning. Okay, ठीक है? Okay, so let's start, Zainab. Write these sentences as questions. You have to make questions of affirmative sentences. How have you made? Yes, Zainab.
ये पेज नंबर क्या था?
It's page number 10. Beta, it is written on the screen. It's page number 10. Exercise 1.
Okay. Write these sentences as question.
Yes.
We went to Mohenjo-daro by bus.
We
Where,
went to Mohenjo-daro by bus.
where did you went by bus?
Where did you went by bus?
Yes.
Where did you go? बेटा did के साथ first form of verb है, as I have told you. Where did you go by bus?
Our
Where did you go?
teachers
Went को
are
change कर दें. Zainab, first of all change went into go. ठीक है? Where did you go by bus? Okay? Our teachers
where
also.
our teachers also compared us.
accompanied us.
क्या accompanied का क्या मतलब है?
Accompanied का मतलब है साथ देना. Means कि our teachers were with us. Our teachers were with us.
Who accompanied you?
Yes, Zainab, what are you telling me?
Who accompanied? Who accompanied us?
No, you will, but you have not used did. Did use करना है ना? You are, if you are saying that you accompanied us, then where is did?
Who did accompanied you?
Did your teachers accompany you? Did your teachers accompany you? Accompanied will be changed into accompany. ACCOMPANY. Accompany में change हो जाएगा. Okay? Did your teacher accompany you? ठीक है? Did your teacher accompany you? And then question mark will be at the end. Now do third sentence. Have you written second sentence after doing
Yes.
correction?
We saw many historical artifacts.
Okay. We saw many historical artifacts.
Did you saw
Did you
many
see?
historical
Did you see?
artifacts? Did you see historical artifacts?
Yes, as I have told you that with did we use first form of verb, so saw will be changed into see. Did you see? Okay, fourth one. Hurry up.
We asked many questions from a guide.
Okay.
Did you ask many questions? Did you ask questions from a guide?
Did you ask many questions from the guide? And there will be question mark at the end. Did you ask? Asked will be converted into ask. Okay, number 5.
We took lunch in the bus.
Okay.
Where did you go? Where did you go with the lunch?
Beta, now I'm going to tell you the sentence which you are telling me that is not correct. Did you take lunch in the bus? This is the correct sentence. Did you take lunch in the bus? Okay, this is the correct one. Zainab, correct it. Did you take lunch in the bus? Done? Did you take lunch in the bus? Okay, number 6.
I got home very late.
Okay.
Did you go home very late?
Did you get home very late? Did you get home very late?
Very late.
Okay. Number 7. Hurry up.
I felt tired the next day.
Yes.
Did you felt tired on next day?
Did you feel tired? Okay. Because we have to use first form of verb with did. So did you feel tired the next day? Clear? Did you feel tired? Felt will be changed into feel. Because we have used did before it, no? That's why. Did you feel tired the next day? Last one. I woke up